This is another video from Tofak's table, the leader in home office furniture products. Now today I am going to depict you the installation for a home office table called SETU. Now the table is going to be received in a pack like this. Now you need only one tool to assemble this table, which is your pen. So all you need to do is just remove the tape. And you pull out the table. Like this. Unwrap it. Now this product is called SETU. Now the table is received in assembled condition. Now all you have to do is just open it. Now let me show you, and you're good to go. So let me show you the construction of the table. Now the table comes with a wooden top with round edges, as you can see all across. And the best part of the table is, if I just show you the way it is assembled. Now there are these guides which are provided under the tabletop. So the leg has to just go inside this leg, inside these guides, and there are hinges provided so that the table folds. So the utility of this table is, you can shift it from one room to another room. So this is how the table is in assembled position, and I'm going to use a chair to show you how I'm going to sit. So the table can take a load of up to 120 kg, and it comes with strong CRCA steel powder coated pipe sections, which are the design is very unique. Now suppose you have to move this table, and all you have to do is just do it like this. The leg folds, and you can lift the table like this. Or you can either place it on the wall. Now the table is not in use, and whenever you want to use the table, just unfold it, use the both legs, make sure that the table legs get inserted in the guides which are given below on both the tables. And again, this is how the table is ready to go. I hope you like this video. I request you to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.